Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
When you receive an email, always pause before clicking any link. Hover over the link with your mouse to reveal the full URL in the status bar. Inspect the visible URL carefully for the domain name and any extra characters or subdomains. Compare the sender address to the company domain. They should match exactly. Be cautious if the URL contains numbers, misspellings, or unusual characters. If anything looks off, do not click the link or open attachments from that message. If the link still seems suspicious, copy it and paste into a plain text editor. Viewing the raw address reveals hidden redirects and encoded characters. Next, submit the URL to a trusted link scanner or URL checker before visiting. Confirm the address uses HTTPS and displays a padlock in the browser. Remember that HTTPS alone does not guarantee safety, but its absence is a major red flag. Avoid entering passwords if the destination asks for credentials unexpectedly. If you remain unsure about a link, manually type the company website into your browser. Use bookmarks or a search engine to find the correct login page instead of clicking email links. Never enter credentials on an unfamiliar page or after following unexpected redirects. If you suspect compromise, immediately change your password and enable two-factor authentication. Finally, report the suspicious email to your IT team or the provider's abuse address so others can be warned and the sender can be investigated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.